Hello, in this video, we're going to cover examples of property line notations, photo notations, and utilizing information to share the information about the property you're marketing. So there are different ways. This is obviously a neighborhood that's being marketed, and we get a lot of requests. We do this type of notations for apartment complexes that are going on the market. You're trying to advertise what's next to the apartment complex. Using different colors, we can do that. If you have a property where you'd like to do a black and white fade around it, then bring in graphics of other assets around the property to promote that property that's going on the market, we can help you with that. Here's a campground where it needed to be numbered. And here is a ballpark where they're trying to point out where parking is and parking is not. Another example of how to use logos. Another example with logos and property. And then here's a raised level where the property's been highlighted and it's been raised. This is neighborhood amenities, kind of before and after. We can help you with that. So you have just a plain photo, and then you have an edited photo where you've grayed out what doesn't need to be seen, that's not important, and then you've labeled everything that needs to be marketed as neighborhood amenities. This could be done. This is a beach property photo, but it could be done for a lake property photo where you're showing, where the house is maybe here, and then you're trying to show the beach, the lake is, 2 blocks south of the property. Aerial fade. This is a fade here, the property line, and then coloring on top of the property. So let us know. We can help you with aerial property notations. We have a blog on our website at Real Estate Photographer Pro with examples. It's a little bit of a creative process, but if you need something more than just property lines, we can help you with that. This is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro.